In this video, we explore the concept of heat. Let's take our system as a glass of water. The water inside the glass is our system. The glass is the boundary. If I want to add some energy as heat to this water, I might stick my cup of water over a flame. If we blow up a small portion of the water near the flame and look at what's happening to the molecules, we'll see that the molecules that are closer to the flame will begin to move faster as they gain energy. That kinetic energy is then transferred to the other molecules through collisions. These collisions eventually lead to all of the molecules going at the same average speed.
Since temperature is a measure of the average speed of molecules, we can see that as the molecules speed up, the temperature will increase. And so what we have done is to increase the temperature of the water by applying a warm source to the water to transfer energy as heat to the water. So that means that we would expect that the amount of energy transferred, which we call Q, so Q is the amount of energy transferred, we would expect that to be proportional to the temperature. And so the amount of energy transferred is proportional or equal to the change in temperature times a proportionality constant. This proportionality constant is called the heat capacity. If it's in units of joules per mole Kelvin, and it is called the specific heat if it is in units of joules per gram Kelvin.